Millicent Omanga.
Millicent Omanga, you want?
This is what I want you to understand. The kind of society we have in Kenya. Millicent Omanga is standing in front of the whole Umat. Her boss, William Samoei Ruto, is right behind her. And all those other Kales and all the people of UDA. So you are Kales squeezing mnatupoteza. Your Kales are becoming weak. She goes to take the mic. But before she takes the mic, what does she do? Yomujwe nyinyi mko na akili ndogo kuliko ya panya. She turns and twerks. Twerk makende. She turns and twerks. I'm like, what the fuck is going on here? In Eldoret, a chick is going to twerk. And she's going to call herself a leader, and you guys are going to sit there and start. Bro, take your fucking twerking ass out of here.
Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit.
Demal is mamabo mbele. Akatan. Mannerless. We are a country of mannerless human beings, mannerless individuals. She stood there at the podium, her boss sitting right behind her, and she turned and twerked. And then all the men are now you're all hypnotized by that big deer. And then turned back and took the mic. Now she's a respectable nominated senator. Well, fuck off. Well, fuck off. I am not listening to you. You want to talk to me after twerking? To say what? What the fuck can you open your mouth to say? No, just twerk. Finish twerking, go back there. Let somebody who has a mouth talk. You guys are giving me reasons to not like any of you. You guys are giving me reasons to not like any of you. Raila
Amolo Odinga.
Ruto.
Mimi na wauliza kwa unyenyekevu.
You guys are giving me reasons to totally dismiss you all the time. I want to support you. I want to give you my support as Andrew Kibe. My one vote, I want to give it to you.
Either upigie kura UDA ama upigie kura our competitors.
But every time you show me this weakness, I am like, ah! I take what? Tuesday Raila was, women were celebrating his birthday. Ah!
Allah! Allah!
Ataka sisi wote tumwambie happy birthday mahali popote tuko.
I take what? Women have summoned you to come and celebrate your birthday.
Wewe mtu mkigumu, wewe mtu mjinga sana.
Allah!
Are you serious? Yo acha tu tuache.